A very good morning to all. Welcome back to another session of your science class. I hope you all are fine and taking proper care of your studies at home. In our last video, we discussed about respiration, the meaning of respiration, what's the difference between breathing and respiration, types of cellular respiration, that is aerobic and anaerobic respiration, the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and in today's video we will discuss about human respiratory system. Respiratory system in humans. In humans, the main organs responsible for respiration are present in the thoracic cavity. In the thorax region, the rib cage and the dome-shaped fibrous tissue known as diaphragm can be seen. Present within the rib cage are the lungs. The right lung is divided into three lobes: the right superior, right middle, and the right inferior lobe. The left lung is smaller and has only two lobes: the left superior and the left inferior lobe. Students, if I ask you a question, is there any organ in our body that can float on water? Try your answer. Give a try. If your answer is that there is no organ that can float on water, then you are probably wrong, because we have the exception of lungs. Yes, surprisingly, the only organ in the human body that can float on water is the pair of lungs. You must know, lungs form the core of our respiratory system, and this system makes sure that we are alive.
As we breathe in air, the oxygen molecules enter the nostrils and travel downwards through the pharynx and trachea to finally reach the bronchi. From each bronchus, oxygen travels into the lungs. Within the lungs, the bronchus divides repeatedly to form bronchioles. Oxygen travels through these bronchioles and reaches the alveoli, each of which is surrounded by a network of capillaries. A section of one alveolus shows the presence of numerous alveolar chambers with pores. Blood containing RBCs is seen flowing through the capillaries. The oxygen molecules from the alveolus diffuse into the capillary and then get absorbed by the bluish-purple RBCs. This causes oxygenation of the RBCs, and a transition in their color from bluish-purple to red is observed. The blood moving into the alveolus contains RBCs and carbon dioxide molecules. These molecules are released into the alveolus. The carbon dioxide collects in the alveolar chamber, and then from the alveolus it travels through the bronchioles into the bronchus, which finally reaches the trachea and is breathed out through the nostrils. So the process of breathing in air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. After the contraction of muscular diaphragm, the lungs expand and the air rushes in, resulting in the inflation of alveoli. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves up and the lungs contract. Thus, the alveoli deflate, causing the air to be forced out. This exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. This process of inhalation and exhalation is known as respiration, which is approximately 20 times per minute.